Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. Today we are building something from The Legend of Zelda. I've made a few builds in the past, the Fisherman's Shield and the boomerang back there, and I was trying to think of what else I could build. I know I've seen a lot of sword builds out there and shield builds out there, and I wanted to build something a little bit more unique to Zelda. And I was thinking about all the weapons that I loved in the games, especially the older games. And there was one weapon in particular that I always tried to get as quickly as I possibly could, and that was the hookshot, because it lets you reach stuff that you normally couldn't, or shoot you across the screen. And I thought maybe I would attempt to make my own version of the Ocarina of Time's hookshot. Let's get to building. Template in the description. And we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, not too bad. I realize it's a little bit bigger than it probably should be, but compared to how big Zelda is, it's always ginormous. And if this is going to haul a full-grown man, I thought that maybe I needed to beef up the outward appearance of it. I went ahead and used real leather for the handle just to give it that extra nice. And then I put a little bit more chain than what you see in the game wrapped around it, just because I didn't have really big chain that would fit around it and look good. So yeah, maybe you will try and make one of these hook shots yourselves and impress your friends with your Zelda prop making skills, so much so that every Christmas and birthday they expect you to make Zelda props for them. You know who I'm talking to. Yeah. Maybe you'll get some. Yay! And inevitably, they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props.